So, you bought new headphones but are not satisfied with the length of the cord? Well, don't think about returning them only for this reason. You can increase the length of the cord by using a headphone extension cable. The best headphone extension cable can provide you with the convenience to move around while listening to music or a podcast or teaching online. We picked up more than 100 headphone extension cables, performed an initial shortlisting on the basis of reviews and ratings provided by the current customer, and narrowed down our choice to 20 headphone extension cables. Then, we handpicked each cable and tested it with different headphones. Finally, we have selected the 6 best headphone extension cables to help you make a quick purchase. Let's look at them one by one. C&E Headphone Extension Cable. The C&E stereo headphone extension cable is one of the best headphone extension cables on the market. Firstly, it is ideal for extending the audio connection to iPhones, iPods, media players, and so on. Secondly, thanks to the gold-plated connectors, bare copper conductors, and braided shielding, the extension cable provides excellent sound quality. Therefore, we have selected it as a headphone extension cable with the best sound quality. Moreover, we tested the extension cable with our Sennheiser HD280 Pro headphones, and it was a completely hassle-free experience to extend the audio connection from the headphones to iPhone 6s. We also tested the cable with PC and laptop, and the result was the same. All in all, C&E is a good headphone extension cable with no audio quality or latency issues. eDragon 3.5mm aux headphone extension cable. The eDragon 3.5mm aux headphone extension cable is a premium end cable, yet extremely reasonably priced. We simply loved the quality of extension cable. The material is durable and sturdy and wear and tear resistant. We tested the 25 feet and 50 feet versions along with a headphone splitter and sent audio to 3 different devices for the house party. Above all, we did not experience any lag in the audio or any other audio quality issues. In conclusion, the eDragon headphone extension cable is affordable and durable. The only minor issue we found was the aux cable cover, which was a little loose. However, it did not impact the sound quality in any way. Ugreen headphone extension cable. Another headphone extension cable that scored 9 out of 10 on our list, the Ugreen 3.5mm headphone extension cable is perhaps the best headphone extension cable out there in terms of durability and quality. The 24K gold-plated connector, pure copper wire, and triple shielding feel royal and ensure proper audio transmission without any signal loss. So with the Ugreen headphone extension cable, you don't need to worry about audio issues. Another interesting feature of the extension cable is the braided copper wire that provides great conductivity and durability. The design is tangle-free. We tested the cable with the Sennheiser HD700 headphones and a Samsung smartphone. The result was as expected, great. However, we had to remove the smartphone's case to connect the extension cable. Cable Creation 3.5mm audio extension cable. If you are looking for the best headphone extension cable with a right angle or L-shaped connector, we highly recommend the Cable Creation 3.5mm audio extension cable. Unlike a normal straight connector, the L-shaped connector can easily allow you to connect to hard to reach or narrow spaces. The headphone extension cable is compatible with almost all devices that have a 3.5mm jack. You can choose between the 5 available length options as per your requirement. We tested this cable with the Tascam TH02 studio headphones and an MP3 player. The connection was established instantly without any lag. Above all, the sound quality was phenomenal. TNB Premium 6.5mm 1x4" to 3.5mm headphone extension cable. The TNB Premium 6.35mm 1x4" to 3.5mm headphone extension cable is suitable for professional audio equipment that comprise TRS XLR connectors. We tested the cable with the Sennheiser HD280 Pro headphones and an amplifier. We experienced no connectivity issues. The cable is sturdy and made of durable material. Also, the gold-plated connectors minimize oxidation and the connector screws maintain cable integrity. When it comes to performance, the cable delivers powerful bass and crystal clear sound. We experienced no jitters or disturbance in the sound. In conclusion, a good quality cable at an affordable price. Ryoda 3.5mm audio extension cable. So the Ryoda headphone extension cable is indeed the longest headphone extension cable on the market. It is available in two lengths, 40 and 50 feet. We were not just impressed by the length of the extension cable but also its look. Bronze color looks beautiful and the braided cord with ladder design looks stylish. The moment you pick the cable in your hand, you know you are holding the durable product. Moreover, we bent the cable time and again and noticed no change in the performance or design. We tested it with our Sony headphones and Samsung smartphone and experienced no issues. In addition, the length of the cable makes it suitable for outdoor use. That's our full list, folks. What do you think? Leave a comment about your favorite headphone extension cable. Like, subscribe and ring the notification bell for all the latest updates and news about headphones and headphone